The edges of a triangular land area are in the ratio of 21:20:13 and perimeter 108 feet. What is the area of the land? So the edges means the sides of this land. It's 21:20:13. All right. So what do you suppose? Say let the edges, instead of edges you can write sides also. Edges of the land be their ratio. Okay, you cannot say 21 feet or 20 feet. They are in the ratio. So with some unknown variable you should write this sides or edges. So you should suppose 21x feet, okay, comma 20 feet, okay, and 13 feet. All right. Now perimeter perimeter equals to 108 feet. Now perimeter formula say sum of all the sides. Here how many sides? Triangular land, so 3 sides or not, 3 edges. So what you can say? 21x plus 20x plus 13x equals to 108. 13x I left here, 20x here also 13x. Okay, so add this 21 plus 20 plus 13, how much? 54. Hello, 54x equals to 108.
Yes, sir.
So x equals to 108 by 54 divide 2. 2. So therefore the sides are, the edges are, you can say, that is 21x means how much? 21 into 2, how much? 42 or not feet, comma other 20x, this means 20 into 2, that is how much? 40 feet. That means another how much? 13 into 2 is how much? 26 feet. Clear or not clear till here? Tell me, Rasika, Christina, clear?
Yes, sir.
So therefore you can suppose, this first edge is small a, first second edge is small b, third edge is small c. So it is like scalene triangle or not? So what is the semi perimeter?
A plus B plus C by 2.
A plus B plus C by 2. So Sobik, what is the answer of this? 42 plus 40 plus 26 by 2. How much coming? Yes, how much coming? Sobik, 40, 80, 100, 8 by 2 means 54. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you find the area. Okay. So area, what is the formula? Root under S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Alright. So this equals to S means how much? 54. 54 minus A means 42. Then 54 minus B means 40. Then 54 minus C means 26. Now you calculate this in calculator, okay, and tell me the answer of this fast. What is the answer of this? 504. Calculate this. So 504 square feet is the answer. So what is the area of the land? At last you write conclusion. Therefore the area of the land is 504 square feet. Okay, tell me any confusion. If you have any questions to ask regarding this question, please say. Any question? Baheti, what is the problem?
No problem, sir.
Okay, Christina, now you know how to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rasika?
Yes, sir.
Allah. Sobik already I think he had done. So 504 only is the answer, na? Sobik Chel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means this question is clear, yes? Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's go to the next question.